Welcome to Best Choice. The best Kev Kev Lash Clusters is probably one of the most sought-after beauty innovations, promising a dramatic yet natural-looking enhancement that rivals professional lash extensions, all achievable in the comfort of your own home with impressive longevity and ease of application, making them a game-changer for anyone seeking to elevate their eye makeup without the commitment or cost of salon visits. Number 5. B&Qaugen Lash Clusters B02D Curl Mix. Achieve stunning lash extensions right at home. Our DIY lash clusters offer a professional look with ease. With a mix of lengths from 12mm to 18mm, you can create a truly personalized lash style. Get the perfect D-curl for added drama. These individual lash clusters blend seamlessly for a wispy, natural finish. Enjoy beautiful, fuller lashes without the salon price tag. Experience the quality of our individual lash clusters. They are designed for comfortable wear and a long-lasting effect. Applying these lash clusters is simple, even for beginners. Transform your eyes with gorgeous, salon-quality lashes in minutes. This specific D-curl mix provides the ideal curl and volume. Enjoy the convenience of creating your dream lashes yourself. What we like? These clusters offer a wispy, natural look with a D-curl. They are designed for easy DIY application at home. If you're looking for a subtle yet enhanced lash look that you can achieve yourself, these are a great choice. What people say. I use lash tape, stick half to the top of the lashes, then pull the tape up and stick it to the top of my crease. This allows me to see the underside of my lashes and is much easier to apply without getting into the waterline. I can also follow the way my lashes point for a more natural look. I especially like the sizes that come in this set and how lightweight they are on the eye. They're soft and wispy and last a few days. The quality is fantastic. I do my lashes in 10 minutes every Monday morning and they are set for the entire week. The price is amazing compared to getting your lashes done. It is so simple, literally takes me like 4 products and 10 minutes. They are on my lash line all week, the glue just sticks. I can't even feel them, they are so light and comfortable. These clusters are incredibly easy to apply, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The best part? They provide full coverage of your lash line without the need for a double layer, giving you that bold, voluminous look with minimal effort. The quality is fantastic, and for the price, you really can't beat it. Number 4. QUEWEL Cluster Lashes Mega D Mix 8-16. Elevate your look with our cluster lashes, designed for both natural and dramatic styles. Achieve the perfect lash extension effortlessly at home. These individual lashes allow for a personalized DIY eyelash extension experience. Create your own unique lash look with ease. Experience the softness and natural feel of these lashes. They are lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. The wide stem design makes application simple and precise. Get salon-quality results in minutes. Choose from CB curls and lengths ranging from 8 to 16mm to customize your desired volume and length. Perfect for any occasion. With 72 pieces included, you'll have plenty for multiple applications. Enjoy beautiful lashes again and again. What we like? Featuring a wide stem and available in both natural and mega styles, these clusters provide versatility. Their soft texture ensures comfort. If you desire flexibility in your lash look, from subtle to dramatic, and prioritize comfort, these are ideal. What people say. Adds volume and length without being too thick or heavy. Very comfortable and easy to use. Thickness, volume and length are on point. They seem to be very comfortable as well. These lashes are lightweight and easy to maneuver. They feel and look fluffy and the color is spot on. I do not feel them on my eyes, they are so light. Number 3. KEYYOU Lash Clusters 300 PCS. Achieve a stunning, natural look with these individual lash clusters. Designed for comfort and ease, they blend seamlessly with your natural lashes. Experience the difference of soft, lightweight lashes that feel just like your own. Enjoy all-day comfort without any heaviness. Customize your lash look with these easy-to-use DIY extensions. Create your perfect volume and style in minutes, right at home. Get incredible value with a large tray containing 300 individual lash clusters. You'll have plenty to experiment with and maintain your flawless look. Crafted with premium materials, these lashes offer a beautiful curl and a natural appearance. The mixed lengths allow for a truly personalized effect. Transform your eyes with these versatile lash clusters. They provide an instant boost of volume and definition, making your eyes pop. What we like. With 300 pieces and a large tray, this option offers exceptional value and convenience. They provide soft, natural volume for a fuller look. If you're a frequent DIY lash user or want to stock up, this bulk pack is perfect for achieving volume without frequent repurchasing. What people say. The lashes are lightweight, soft, and look like I just walked out of a salon. The kit includes 280 lash clusters in AD curl, with both 30D and 40D options in a 9 to 16 mm mix, which makes it super customizable depending on the look you want. The bond and seal duo works really well. The bond has a tacky texture that helps the lashes grip easily without being too messy, and the seal adds that final touch to keep them in place all day. Number 2. KEVKEV Lash Clusters. Achieve a wispy and natural look with our lash clusters. They are designed to blend seamlessly with your own lashes for an effortless enhancement. Enjoy the convenience of at-home lash extensions. These clusters are incredibly easy to apply, saving you time and money. Experience ultimate comfort with our thin band and soft lash clusters. You'll barely feel them, making them perfect for all-day wear. Create your perfect lash style with the included mix of lengths. This allows for a fully customized and personalized look. Get incredible value with 144 lash clusters in every pack. You'll have plenty to experiment with and achieve stunning results. This specific pack offers a beautiful, cloudy effect with a mix of lengths from 8 mm to 18 mm, achieve a soft, multidimensional appearance. What we like. These wispy clusters boast a thin band for ultimate comfort and an easy application process. The mix of lengths allows for a customized, natural appearance. If you prioritize a lightweight feel and a seamless blend with your natural lashes, these are an excellent option for a beginner-friendly experience. What people say. These lashes are so natural looking and the glue is strong. I love that my eyes are not irritated and the lashes lasted for days. Update, been 5 days, went through a college weekend night out and they have not budged. The lashes are so good. I wear them for 7 days without any discomfort. I use the 12 to 8 mm Cirrus lashes and they stay looking fluffy after multiple washes and don't irritate my eyeline. Number 1. DIY individual natural lash clusters. Achieve a stunning, natural look with our individual lash clusters. Designed for comfort and ease, they blend seamlessly with your own lashes. Choose from C or D curls and lengths ranging from 12 to 16 mm to perfectly match your desired style. Create a look that's uniquely yours. Experience ultimate comfort with our thin band cluster lashes. They are so lightweight, you'll forget you're even wearing them. Get that soft, wispy effect that enhances your eyes beautifully. These clusters provide a natural fullness without looking heavy. Transform your look at home with our easy-to-use DIY lash clusters. Achieve professional-looking results in minutes. Perfect for both hybrid and volume lash styles, these clusters offer versatility. Achieve your dream lash look effortlessly. What we like. Designed for comfortable wear, these clusters are soft, wispy, and feature a thin band. They offer a natural CD curl for added lift. If you seek all-day comfort and a delicate, fluttery finish without a heavy feel, these are the perfect choice for a natural enhancement. What people say. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them feel natural. The clusters are easy to apply, even for beginners, and hold securely for a long time. They blend seamlessly with natural lashes, creating a full and voluminous look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.